Hey everyone, happy 2023. Welcome to my studio for today because it's raining outside. It's been raining for days, which rarely happens in Southern California. Of course, I know it's snowing to some other places in the country. There's blizzards and stuff like that, but there's a reason why I come to Southern California. It's kind of early in the morning, so I figured gotta make some coffee before I get anything else started. I love making coffee in a van. It makes it smell so good in here. How do you like to make your coffee? I just basically try to grind it right before I make it. I drink it black. I don't put milk or sugar in it. I'm not a sweet tooth, so I try not to put any sugary stuff in my food or drinks if I don't need to. Dairy doesn't really agree very well with me, except I make an exception for cheese. So what does 2023 mean for this channel? Well, hopefully I can get to travel more. Hopefully I can definitely get to create more videos for YouTube here. Bring you along for the ride and hopefully grow together. So I'm really excited about 2023. I have a feeling that this is going to be an incredible year. So, I'm gonna go after it. I'm gonna go chase it. See what comes along my way. See how this channel progresses over the course of 2023. I really want to put this van to the test. Just take it places, make more memories. If you haven't seen my last video for the end of 2022, I went through a lot of footage and kind of saw like how many places I've gone, not necessarily with the van, but for the most part with the van. I like to travel this way for now. I like to see the United States as much as I can, and hopefully I can go to places where I can have memories for life. If you see me on the road, don't hesitate to come say hello. I always like to meet travelers and people alike. Maybe go for a hike or explore places together. We can even have a cook-off if you want, because I love to cook on this channel. That would be a fun camping experience. I basically just wanted to drop in, kind of say hello to you guys for 2023. That's it for me for this video, and I will see you in the next one.